Hi everyone, I'm Beck, the product specialist at Userback. Today I'll show you how to set up and use the Userback Ideas Portal, your central hub for collecting ideas, prioritizing feedback, and keeping users informed with a public roadmap and announcements. Today we'll cover managing ideas, enabling SSO, and sharing the portal through your widget. So let's get started.
Alright, let's start by setting up your Ideas Portal. From your Userback project overview, go to Portal and click Activate. This opens your portal settings where you can configure everything you need. First, give your portal a clear, recognizable name, then choose which components to include, like ideas, roadmap, or announcement. Next, set up moderation. You can publish ideas automatically or review them before they go live. This is a helpful way to keep feedback organized and on topic. From here, customize labels and statuses to match your workflow, such as planned, in progress, or completed. Depending on your plan, you can also add your branding so the portal feels like a natural extension of your product. You'll then decide whether your portal is public or private using SSO. If needed, you can also enable translations. If you already have feedback from support tickets, spreadsheets, or another tool, you can import ideas using a CSV. This helps your portal launch with meaningful content, like your most requested features, so users can start voting right away. That's step 1 complete. Your portal is now live. Next, let's talk about single sign-on, or SSO. SSO lets your users log into the Ideas Portal automatically using your app's login. No extra username or password needed. This is great for a seamless experience and for keeping the portal private for your customers or internal teams. To set it up, go to the portal settings and open the single sign-on tab. You'll see a private key. This is used to generate secure login tokens for your users. On your server, you create a token with their details, and when they visit the portal URL with the token, they're signed in automatically. If you want to restrict access, you can enable Enforce SSO. Anonymous users will then see a message asking them to sign in, which you can customize with your own text and links. In short, SSO makes the portal secure, removes login friction, and gives you control over who can access and submit ideas. The public roadmap shows users what's planned, in progress, or shipped, helping reduce duplicate requests and build trust through transparency. Firstly, enable the roadmap in your portal settings. Make sure your public status settings are configured correctly. As feedback moves through your Userback dashboard, the roadmap will be automatically updated, so you don't need to manually inform them that their idea is being worked on. To fully close the loop, when an idea is marked as shipped, Userback will prompt you to notify everyone who voted for it. Announcements are another great way to close the feedback loop. They let you share new features, roadmap updates, or major product changes directly in the Ideas Portal. When users see their ideas turn into announcements, it reinforces that their feedback matters and encourages them to keep contributing. To create an announcement, head to your Announcements tab, click New Announcement, add a heading, body text, add any styling, add an image, GIF, or short video, it's also a good idea to include a CTA button that links to your product, release notes, or a related help article. Once published, the new announcement is marked with a red dot in the portal or embedded announcement widget, helping users quickly notice new updates. Make the Ideas Portal easy to access by embedding it directly in your product through the widget. This lets your users submit ideas directly from your site, vote on existing ideas, and view roadmap updates and announcements without leaving your platform. Go to your widget settings, components, and toggle on the roadmap and announcements. Placing the widget on your product dashboard encourages users to share feedback right when they experience a feature or pain point, leading to more relevant and actionable ideas. Once ideas start coming in, it's important to keep them organized and active. We recommend managing directly in the Userback dashboard, but you can also manage the ideas directly inside the portal itself. You can merge duplicates, combine similar ideas so votes aren't split, update statuses, mark ideas as planned, in progress, or shipped to keep customers informed. Add internal notes to provide context to your team behind the scenes. Respond publicly, even if you can't act on an idea immediately. A comment like, "Thanks, we'll consider this for a future update," shows users that you're listening. You can also moderate comments to remove spam or off-topic replies to keep discussions productive. And that's a complete walkthrough of the Userback Ideas Portal. By centralizing ideas, actively managing feedback, sharing a public roadmap, sending announcements, and embedding the portal in your widget, you can make smarter product decisions based on real user input. The key is consistency. Keep the portal updated, respond to ideas, and make it easier for users to access. Thanks for watching, and happy building.